Okay, so if you are absent during this week, the start of the quarter, you need to do the following to make up what you missed in class. You need to talk to someone in English about your favorite movie. You need to explain to them why it's your favorite movie and why you chose it. Then they need to tell you what they think of the movie and what their favorite movie is. Now, once you have that, you need to write it down in order to receive points for this week. Um, ¿Tienes más preguntas para mí? Escriben un email or, yeah, emailing me is the best way to get a hold of me. I know that's kind of I don't know, a crash overview, so feel free to rewatch the video, or if you do have questions, please let me know what they are. Thank you.